Actually, you already know how to find roots of quadratic equation, right? So help me using calculator how to find the root for 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, let me repeat. You use calculator, mode. Then EQN, you press 1. Unknown, you press the right button here. In the middle, you get the degree and press 2. So they ask you for A. A will be 3. B will be negative 5. C is negative 2. So what are the roots? 2. Roots are the value of x, that is 2. The other is negative 0.33. Negative 0.3. If you press shift ABC, is negative 1/3. So for the purpose of this lesson, I will write as negative 0.333. Okay, and so on. So why? Because I want you to know that roots are actually the intersection of the graph with the x-axis. Do you notice the x-axis meet the graph? One is at 2, another is at I cannot read that accurately compared to the given roots here. So I will just estimate maybe it's around negative 0.3, something like that. Okay, but since I know this is negative 0.33, then I can write it like that. Okay, so what you have to remember is that roots are intersection of the curve with the x-axis. Okay, so for B, without using calculator, this graph, and what are the roots? Tell me. Negative 4.
Negative 5. Negative 5 and 4.
That is the wrong way. On the left side, it intersects with negative. That is negative 4, right? And the right side, is it not that is 5? Okay. The intersection of the curve with the x-axis is at negative 4 and 5. So the roots are negative 4 or 5. Okay. Right. Okay, that one you do it later, but we will continue to discuss this question, and then I will let you try on your own. Okay. Now, look at how to answer question number 2. We have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Actually, you know how to find the root. Okay. But let's say for this lesson, we want to know whether x equals to 3 and x equal to 2 are the roots of this equation. How do you know without solving the equation? That is, you replace x as 3 and see whether value on the left side equal to value on the right side. So let's try with 3. So we say 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 6. Help me. Press calculator. 3 square minus 5 times 3 plus 6.
Zero.
0. So if this 0 on the right side is also 0, so 3 is the root. Now replace x as 2. 2 square minus 5 times 2 plus 6.
Negative 12.
Negative 12. I don't think so.
Or 0.
0. It means 2 is also a root for this equation. Now look at B. 2x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. X equals 1. X equals 1 over 2. Replace 1 by 1. So 2 times 1 squared minus 1 minus 1. Help me with this.
Zero.
0. So it means x equal 1 is the root. Is a root of this. So 2 1 over 2 square minus 1 over 2 minus 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. So it means 1 over 2 is not a root. Okay? Let's continue with C. 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. X is negative 1 over 3. So 3 negative 1 over 3 squared minus 5 bracket negative 1 over 3 minus 2. Help me with this. How about the first one? Is it equal to 0?
No.
No. What is the value?
Negative 1. 1 over 3.
Negative 1 1 over 3. So it means this is not a root. How about the second one?
Zero.
So equals to 0. So it means negative 2 is a root of this equation. And the last one, we have D. 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 6. And the roots suggested is x equals 2 and x equals to 2 over 3. Okay, so we replace 3, 2 square plus 4 times 2 plus 2. Please calculate this. Again,
22.
if this is 22 not equals to 6, alright? So this is not a root. How about 2/3?
Six.
You got 6. So equals to 6, and then on the right side is 6. So this is a root. Okay, let me little bit some problem here at question C. Please recalculate this. Make sure you have enough bracket. 3 bracket negative 1 square minus 1. Yes?
0.
So equals to 0. Okay? So this is equal to 0. So this is a root. But then try again. This the second one. Again?
20.
20. So this is not the root. Terbalik dah. Aha. Okay. So take your time.